So y'all, let me close my door. So y'all, this will be the start of my vacation vlog. It is currently 1:19 and it is Wednesday, August 31st. I am going to Vegas, if y'all did not know. So we're leaving about 2:30. Our flight doesn't take off until 6 though, and we do have a layover in Atlanta. But yeah, I'm just coming on to give y'all a little glimpse of everything before. I'm gonna probably talk to y'all once I get to the airport or do like a montage or something. But yeah, if you're new here, hey, if you're not, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can get notifications every time I post. That's it. Y'all see your girl done went blonde. Who are you? I was so scared to try this color. But y'all gonna get the rundown and stuff in my maintenance vlog, which should be up before this vlog be up. I don't know when this vlog gonna go up, because when I get to the airport, I got a whole bunch of videos to drop. I have a day in the life of a lash tech, a regular vlog, and my maintenance vlog. All they gotta go out before this vlog. So I'm gonna call y'all back once I get to doing stuff, because right now I'm just sitting here about to put on my clothes and stuff like that. So yeah. Not yet. So y'all, we are in Greenville. We just stopped at the liquor store. There's E. My camera's so wobbly. But we're gonna stop at, it's 3:32. We're gonna stop at Crumble, and then we're headed to the airport because I want a cookie. I want an animal crackers cookie.
You forgot that Chinese ticket, didn't you? Give it some good.
Damn, I wonder what they got because I deleted the app off my phone.
I got an apple.
Fuck, that cookie was good as fuck.
I ain't gonna taste it.
It was good for real. It tasted, it was basically a sugar cookie with no. No, why the fuck you got so many apps? How I see.
Right there. On there?
Menu?
Yeah. Just like up.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you?
Vibes. I forgot what I was about to say.
I'm gonna get my feet. Get me. And we get back. What, how does TikTok go?
I don't know because I probably never heard it. But yo, we just
It goes me back.
we're about to board our flight. It's 5:51. I'm ready to get turned and just BITCH. But yeah, how about they got my birthday wrong and we had to go all the way back downstairs. Who wasn't finna get on that phone? But yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when we doing something, because we ain't doing that right now. I need to get my mind together. Period. So y'all, we are currently in Texas because I guess this is another layover. Oh my god. Wait, no, it's like, oh my fucking god, she fucking did. Huh? The TikTok, you never seen the TikTok?
Like what?
Oh my fucking god, she fucking did. Come on, dude, you know what? You ain't seen, yeah. This is my favorite TikTok.
And when she's like, I'm a bad bitch.
But no, y'all, we are in Texas. We got 1 more hour to go. Oh Lord, me neither. I'm so hungry. You know I'm sleeping. What is that? Were you over too? I'm about to stove with you. I just don't want over there. My nose is red. My eyes is red. Can't take it. Here's the view. Oh. It ain't no view. It's raining. It don't rain when the sun don't shine. I'm gonna put it back up. Me either. Well, my mom over there trying to put the password in like she don't comprehend. So I can go use the bathroom. Oh, I was...
1 hour later.
I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we are waiting on our shuttle to go to our hotel. I'm so tired and sleepy and hungry. Do you have anything you want to say to the camera? So y'all, it is 12:58 and we are finally checked into our room. We are.
Give her some space. Give her some space.
Please don't walk too close.
Look at my face.
Good morning. That's how De'Ara be when she come up. Good morning, y'all. So it is the next day, Thursday, September the 1st. I might come be going sometime. But it is 9:42 over here, and I've been up, but everybody else, well, not everybody else, but yeah, homegirl just not getting up. I've been up editing YouTube videos. Everybody went to breakfast. I just didn't feel like getting up that early. It was like 7 something, and my mama told my son we finna go to breakfast. Can I get an appetite first? But no, my mama's gone. Like, well, I guess they downstairs somewhere eating, but finna get up, get my day started, get some money. No, but that is what's going on. If you've gotten this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so that you can get notifications every time I post. And yeah, I don't know what we're doing today. We're supposed to do ATV riding either today or tomorrow, or just before we leave in general. You waiting on me? Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when we start getting dressed and stuff. And yeah.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you, make me believe that your love.
So y'all, we finally got dressed. We are about to go downstairs and eat. I don't know why my camera keeps turning like that, but I have on my pink skim set with my orange Templar, and I don't know what these shoes called. I just know they're Jordans. I be acting so old. But yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all once we eat. That girl look deep, don't she?
Anything you need, anything is so desired. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything is so desired. Anything comes. Your love is
Not the Barbie Dare cup. The Barbie Dare. Barbie, yeah. Barbie doll curls. How the end look.
all day long.
Already did. I wonder what it is. What if it's like mayo or something? There's cannoli. The cannoli. And I wish I would have been recording. These wings so motherfucking good. Look how I clean my plate. And I only left one wing because this dude came to our table and I dropped it on the table. Not because I was nervous or anything, but he was talking shit. I'm looking at my bones now. Them pieces is clean as fuck for real. The food was good. Stay out all eating. Cause you could have kept walking. But I don't know what we're about to do or go.
Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I clean up like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a 9 in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch, I'm the man. We know advance. Give my nigga a chance. Tryna see what he gon' do. Get it rid of the bands. I done got me some bands too. I can drip on the ground too. So my hood let it down too. I can't decide. This foreign car, I'ma ride. The phantom roast body is what. I made the bubbly let the watch. I put some more rocks in the watch. Middle finger to the cops. Me get the world like Tupac. Say the wrong word, get you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think how he gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. I took off and went straight to the top. They can't fit me a nigga too high. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep sticks like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I clean up like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a 9 in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Like I look like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. A tsunami, a storm. I stay fly, I was there born. But these hoes like it's porn. I get higher than the Osborne. On the couch if it's torn. Getting money is so important. You thought I was done. I can go on and on. The cars are born.
Oh, put a line green down there.
Okay, you must say different.
I sit to the head and float. I already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey.
So y'all, right now we are just sitting, waiting on my mom and them to come out the mall. We got Fat Tuesdays, as y'all can see. How do you feel, Ariel?
Can't even sleep. Bitch, I'm up. Bitch, I'm eating.
When I'm in your city, please
Bitch, I rip me to the freeze.
But yeah, I'm gonna call back when we're doing something else because we haven't really did anything but go to Sephora and Pandora. I got me a new Pandora bracelet. Oh, that girl tatty. That girl tatty. But no, I'm gonna call y'all back.
I'm gonna get y'all straight out of Maggie's move. I'm gonna 5 points over y'all motherfucking asses too.
She was scared for her life. That's how I be doing her at home, y'all. But no, we're gonna go to Carlo's, which is a restaurant in our hotel. I never even gave y'all a room tour. I got y'all when we get back. Oh yeah, it's about the same. But yeah, it is 5:01. And we finally finna eat. I want some tacos, wings, fries, everything. I have a big appetite.
Did you create this for?
Right business. I'm not deluxe. But no, I'm gonna call y'all back once we get to wherever we
Not
want.
that average mother. I don't give a fuck. Ooh.
One hour later.
Man, I love that boy.
So y'all, it is the next day and we did not do anything last night. That's why y'all didn't see me come back on here.
Because y'all was drunk.
Somebody never minds the business that pays them, but it's the next day. We are about to go to, where we about to go, Mom? Go eat. We're about to go to Lolo's. This is what I have on today. Shirts from Rue 21, I think. Biker shorts from Target, and then the chlorophyll dunks, and I'm going to pair it with my green screen till far. So fit check, so fresh, make your so that's what I have on today. Yesterday, what did I have on yesterday? Yesterday I was comfortable too, really, because we're supposed to be doing a lot of walking today, so that's why I went with what I wear at home. Biker shorts, tennis shoes, and my Crocs, and a big t-shirt. And your girl still serves. So I'm gonna call y'all back once we get downstairs and get to our destination. And if you've gotten this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so that y'all can get notifications every time Real Brea posts. You don't want to miss no video. I swear you don't. And if they like 85,000.
Yeah, they got Kool-Aid and everything. They got lemonade. Which one yours? What kind yours is?
Gotta stir it a little bit. So y'all, we been back to the room for like 30 minutes after we ate. It was just a lot going on for me to pull out my camera. A little bit too much going on. But right now, oh, look at that, my gut showing. I might need to put on my other what's the name for real. We are about to go get the little $10 tattoos that's from down here. You looked it up? I think it's called Cool Side, Cool K, whatever it is. But yeah, because we did not want to go back to the mall. We didn't want to come here for that. Huh?
They got the $10 tattoos in Miami and New York too.
It's good then.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm ready to do ATV riding. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all. We haven't really did anything. I'm not even gonna tell. But I wanted to get me a tattoo. I wanted to do ATV riding and zip lining, but I don't want to do zip lining right now because it's too hot. So that'll take up our time in between time. And yeah. The food, that place, the food was good, don't get me wrong. But y'all, why they don't split bills there? It's 11 of us. Just imagine.
It was straight. It could have been, it would have been.
So yeah, that's what's going on now. Let me catch a vibe. Where my other phone at? You want me to do Uber?
It don't matter.
If it freaking work.
Well, we can compare Uber and Lyft and see which one's cheaper.
I don't have Lyft.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can
Oh.
go Uber. I can go Lyft. What is it called? Hold up. I see it. They got the thing on here. I'm trying to see what I want.
Okay. Why do it look like somebody be beating me up? Yeah, Coolsville. And we're gonna take another edible.
Oh, it's two of them.
I don't think I need one. The way I just did it. That's what my mama said. Which one got the best reviews? Y'all hear them out there rocking.
Yeah, my other contact. Face the camera.
That shit get on.
My confession is I'm really ready to fight everybody in the group. Just who are broke bitches that don't want to pay. Bitches just be hating. I don't know, young lit bitch.
All summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I'll be on my
I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. We've been down. It's my regular. I'm talking things for better now.
And then I'll ask you which one do you want.
Which one are you? I got my little, what's the name, Mark right there. Oh my god, I'm about to get a tattoo. Y'all, it's so cute in here. I'm excited. Like I ain't never got a tattoo before.
I wonder if I can get a better view over here. There we go. How you feeling? I know, right? It hurt. Maybe it's the spot. The spot. Damn, that was quick.
So y'all, we just got done getting tattoos. We are, where we going next?
I don't know, you gonna go zone?
We going to where?
You gonna zone?
We can.
Yeah, like just go ahead and get it.
We gotta see if we can do it. We are about to go to Zara. We just got done getting our tattoos. I got a lightning bolt. I don't know if I can show it. Oh, my camera for one is backwards. I got a lightning bolt. E got a alien. And yeah, we just doing us. But yeah, I think my screw is messed up. I don't see nothing but it's gonna happen. We are on the way to ice cream shop. E got us a, what's her name?
Motherfucking Tesla, bitch, because I don't do nothing small.
Say it
I
again.
don't do nothing small.
Look at me.
Ain't shit small about me.
Look, there, look at the
Look at my
car.
body. Real quiet when you pull up.
No sound. Versus that shit that get behind her. Not you don't know how to open the door.
Excuse me.
Not you don't know how to open the door. Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
Main Street 1203.
Yeah, to the creamy ice cream.
Then there ain't nobody in there. Look at God. Me on my bed. It smell good.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I don't know. What's over there? And that little store right there? I do what? They going to the room, I think. Yeah.
So you want to go back to the room?
I don't know. Let me ask my mom first.
Should we come into the room?
Yeah.
I would get one of those.
What?
A Cadillac. Like that.
Oh, shit.
Like with my kids or something.
Yeah. That's
Or
cute.
like me and my, that's what car I take when it's me.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers.
Hey y'all, right now we in the Uber, going back to the room. You gotta come back and freshen up about 4 or 5 times in this type of heat. Not that nobody's thinking of it.
No shade.
Literally none whatsoever, but yeah, as y'all can tell, I look hot and sweaty. I need to get back to my color for one. Hey, you see him backing up? The car right there.
Yeah, legally.
Right. That is so Atlanta. Oh, he going this way. Wow. You tell he been driving a long time. I ain't cutting in. Cause he literally just went from that lane to this one. And it was a truck right there. You saw. Well yeah, y'all. I'm gonna call you back once we
My boo, you know I'm crazy.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my
bitches. Well, you're the mom. I can't get paid for that.
Well, you should, sir.
With that 28 piece.
honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my ish. Move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my Q's and piss.
So y'all, right now we just got to where we at? Fremont Street.
We gonna do the same what we doing.
This where we going, Mom? We on Fremont Street or this old town? We on Fremont Street.
You go out the glass door, to the right, go up the stairs, in the elevator, do the right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
We are going to.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, right by. I'm out.
Y'all, we just got back to the room. First thing we did, wash our hands and got some lemonade.
Like, bitch is thirsty as fuck. It is so fucking hot. It's not even like the temperature. I mean, like, it's hot, but the fucking air that's blowing.
It's hot,
It's
too.
not a breeze. It's just hot, dry ass air. Like, I forgot my camera here, so I had to record. I had to vlog on my phone. I did get a lot of content, and I actually posted it on Instagram. So if you don't follow me, go follow me. My username is Area with 2 A's. I don't really post, but I'm kind of having a manic episode, so I'm posting my ass off. But yeah. I can just feel the shit rejuvenate my body. I'm thirsty as fuck. Like, this shit is so
I got to pee so bad, but I'm still
This shit is so
thirsty.
good right now. Like,
I'm in a better mood now.
I can feel this shit in my toes. Like,
I got a brain freeze.
this shit is so good. It's so good.
But y'all, we finna go take pictures. It's real late
Literally.
where we from, so I'm probably not gonna post till when we go ATV ride. It's gonna be 10.
For Sunday?
Why would I say 10? So it'll be 11, 12, 13 at home.
1.
I think that's a good time.
Of course. Anytime between 11 and 1. I see why that's a twin. That's how it seems, some of y'all. Yeah, I can't tell.
I know, like, the one she changed clothes so many times. I don't know. They just gave me a sugar rush on the low. Bad like a friend.
I'll see y'all once we get downstairs.
Shirt from Fashion Nova, pants Fashion Nova, bag from H&M, me from Heaven.
Whole different type of things.
Y'all, we don't took a shower, took pictures, and got food. As y'all can see, I'm very, 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 very sleepy, but these quesadillas. Everybody quiet.
I got damn corns on my shirt. I'm over here fucking food up.
This the most I done ate in a long time.
Heat been taking my damn appetite.
No, the food just not good.
That too. It ain't just like, oh my god, this shit bushing. It ain't as bad as Miami, but you know, Chicago.
Oh.
White people cooking everything.
I don't think I understand. I can't see this camera nowhere. And then I be doing it any kind of way.
I don't see my baby daddy nowhere. His name on me. That's so solid. It's a good little bit. I can look down and see it type thing.
Hello, I might have to save my last one. So good.
Baby, you still recording?
It's only at 3 minutes.
Look, hang that shit up.
I guess I'll call you back.
We've been joking all day. That was funny.
She don't be on Facebook. Sometimes she be on there looking. So y'all, it is the next day. And it is 8:33 over here. We are about to go to ATV riding. Move please. Girl. Trying to show y'all my fit check. And somebody's in the way. So
Cute mama.
bye. I have this Adidas 2-piece set with my Yeezys and somebody's black Telfar vibe. She not an it girl for real. She just wanted it because I had it. But yeah, that's the fit check. Y'all see your girl tatted on the ankle. It's cute, mom. Look at it. But yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back once we get downstairs. We're waiting on somebody who moves so slow. I'm not gonna say no name at all.
I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it.
So y'all, we have not went ATV riding yet because they basically scammed us. They changed our time without us actually knowing like how the hell that work. So we go at 12:30 now, but right now we are at this little town square thing with a whole bunch of shopping stores. We just left out of Saks. We are about to go into TJ Maxx to see can we find some shades and stuff. And my mama said they got Gucci necklaces and stuff in there, so
honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Riding 100 grand. Gotta roll over T, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, I'm going.
I don't know what it's called. Chewy Bubba from this little shopping market we still in. It's 11:24 and we still waiting to go back to the ATV thing because we don't go until 12:30. It is so hot. But this is good. I got mango, a small mango slushy.
Bang my line and I look crazy. Beautiful, girl, you stainless. You be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
This orientation and the helmets and all that, the more time we get to spend on the trail today, guys. So if you can help me keep things moving along here.
Put your ass in an apartment, put you inside a G-Class. That's just a starter kit. Many things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain, Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting. specimens down.
What am I saying?
Right here, that's just a flimsy rock art. Very easy to do. Suspension. We're off-road. Whole bunch, whatever. Just a whole bunch of names. Right thumb. There you go. Right where your right thumb. Good.
How you feel? I did not know it was gonna be that long. I really thought we were done, so I was so happy. At least I wrote it.
Yeah.
Everybody else going.
You want me to stay with you?
No, you don't have to if you don't want to.
Alright. What the water at? He gonna stay?
No. Yeah. So y'all, we back at the same place. I know y'all tired of seeing Carlos, but literally. Glad we took a shower. So I have quick fast and hurry.
Where you at?
But I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get the food because I can't just, you know, it's not a vibe. See, I got mine on my ankle. So
I don't want anything on my ankle.
I'm back getting another tattoo. I just like the thrill of it, honestly.
So about right here.
And my mom will get a tattoo.
It's more fat right here. Like right here. Like right here.
I don't even know where I want my own at.
Yeah, I mean, you can look at it. You know, I mean, like, so right there.
Should I get mine on my hand?
Like that, yeah.
Should I get mine right there?
Inside, not the outside, right?
Like right here.
You got veins right there.
Yeah, I got a hand right there, and I don't like that right there, but I like it right here.
Oh, I gotta get mine on my wrist too. I gotta get mine on my wrist too.
No, the wrist.
Shoulder to wrist, knee to ankle.
Shoulder to wrist.
Shoulder to wrist, knee to ankle.
So I can get it right here. Yeah.
Mom, that's your wrist.
Yeah, I think I want it right here.
And I get mine right there too. This one?
It's cash on?
Yeah.
Yes.
How much is mine?
Hey, go again.
I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter cat shit. Murder cat shit. 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 Slaughter cat shit. Take a nigga bitch. I be using bitch cause I ran off with shit. Bought a brand new drop and then I put me on some drop. Y'all said a real street nigga, y'all ain't gon' hold up. Y'all let's close it, all I want is all the y'all gon' how to come. Bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let me go black and white, some niggas dropping in it. Round song, got a nigga down with it. Murder gang shit, murder gang shit.
love being on vacation.
The traffic is moving heavy on you.
I need a camera. So bad.
Cold water, cut the stove on, straight to sides. I like a fat. I'm saying it's your baby, getting on that bitch trash. Brought up that thing, got 30 rounds. Look at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. That nigga blocking, watch them niggas drop in it. Round Tron, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this blood and gang shit. Murder